Good day, everyone. Well, if your Windows 11 search bar is not working, do not worry about it. We are going to fix it by only 3 to 4 very simple steps. All right. So the very first thing here is to do a right click in the start icon and then go to Task Manager. And once the Task Manager is opened, we will go to the Processes tab. Let me just maximize it. Now here, under Processes tab, just search for Windows. So sometimes if there is some, corruption in Windows Explorer, you get some issues. So here we have found the Windows Explorer. I'll just select it. I'll do a right click and I'll click on restart. So for many of us, this will fix the problem and you will be able to use this service. All right. And if you still have issues, we will go to details this time. And here we will search. We will just type search and you will find searchhost.exe. So again, we just need to do a right click and we need to click on end task. And it will ask you to again confirm. Now we will wait for a while and we can see the search host again. It is running now. And once it is running, we will move to the next step. And the next step is the services. So we will click on services. And here we have this W search. We will close this first. We will do a right click in the start icon and we will click on run. And here we will type services.msc. Once you do that, you will see a window like this. And here we will select any of the service and we will press W and we will look for Windows search right there. I have found it. So please make sure it should be automatic. The startup type should be automatic and it should be running. By any chance, if it's not automatic or manual, just do a right click, go to properties and select automatic or delayed start. Once you're done with this, click on start if it's active and then click on apply and OK. Once you do that, then we will move to the next step and we need to open the control panel. So we will search, since the search bar is not working, we will do a right click in the start icon. We will click on run and here we will type control. Right. So once you have typed it, control, click on OK and select view by large icons from here, top right corner. And now we are looking for something called indexing options. So we have found it. We will click on that. Now here we will click on advanced and we need to click on troubleshooting rebuild index. So we just need to click on OK and we need to close that. This might take some time. Indexing in process. Search results might not be complete during this time. So it should not take much time. And currently it is indexing. Once the indexing is done, we will do a bonus step which recovers if there is any corruption or any glitch there in the OS. We are going to repair that. So any which way, it is very good for the computer. We will open the Windows tools since the search bar is not working. So we will click on start. We will go to all and we will scroll down quickly and look for Windows tools. We will click on Windows tools and you will see a window like this where you have a lot of options and we will go for command prompt. Now do a right click on that command prompt and run as admin and say yes. Now you will have a window like this and here we need to type sfc space / scan now. I'll maximize it so that you can type it. Now, SFC stands for System File Checking, and we just need to hit enter. This will begin the system scan, and if there is any corruption, any sort of glitch, that will be fixed. Now, restart is a must once this is done, and for most of us, this will fix the problem. And do let me know if this tutorial is helpful or not. If yes, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and your comments really motivate me. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.